Good afternoon and welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at this one. This is the HPI Toyota Corolla Levin, also known as the AE86, part number 100599. Okay, look at this beauty. This is the Toyota Corolla Levin AE86. This is not Tamiya, this is HPI. I like some HPIs too. This is the Cup Racer series. It says true 10 scale, so it's a little smaller than the TT01 or the TA03 FS or whatever. This is a 225 millimeter wheelbase, and you can see here 225 and 210. So it's the same as the M chassis. This is the drift version. This came out in 2009. It's a four-wheel drive with the ball diffs and ball bearings all over. Came out with this one came out the Datsun 510, the 240C. The Porsche 911 Carrera, and I think also you can get the BMW 2002, at least the body. So, okay, let's look inside. Okay, look at this manual later. I built one, but that's many years ago. Okay, look at the wheels and the tires later. Come on. Okay, here we have some parts. Okay, open and look inside. Plastic bag, plastic number 1. Here we have something for the bumpers and the body posts. Here we have body poles, unibolts, some adjustment for the height of the body. Here we have some parts for the dampers, yeah, some spacers and other parts. Yeah, you can choose. Okay, here we have the arms, the uniballs, and some spacers. Not the same clear plastic bags as Tamiya. Okay, here we have the motor cover in smoked plastic. The bag. Look at this. I think this is something, a strap or something for the battery. I'm not sure. More parts inside here. HPI makes nice kits too. I always say part number when I say the number for the car, but it's probably kit number. This is 011. No, 100599. Okay, here we have. So, I didn't see, but something for the battery cover. Okay. Something for the steering maybe, and the shock towers. I'll build it someday and make a video. Here you can choose different hexes for the width of the car, so you get better look or better driving ability. hub carriers, some other plastic body part, no, chassis parts. Okay, here also the hub carrier and for the steering or the gearbox. Okay, more plastic. And here's some metal parts. I like that better than plastic, but can't have all metal, then it's gonna weigh 2,000 tons. Okay, tools. Okay. Look at there. Tools. You have some grease and maybe some lube and maybe some thread lock or some small tools. Okay, here we have bag A. You can see some bearings and something for the steering. That's and it's here we have bag B. This is for the differential, the bevel gear. That's metal, at least not plastic. Spare parts bag. That's all the normal thing: the O-rings, the body clips, and some extra screws. Bag D. Some parts, really nice orange aluminium. This is for the steering. Some other parts. Okay, here we have bag F. This is for the shocks. You can see the springs, you can see the oil. It's not, the plastic is not easy to see through. Okay, here we have even more nice aluminium parts, the drive shaft, and some gears, and some ball bearings. Here we have bag G, body clips, of home bumper, and bag E, ball bearings. This is the shocks maybe. Here we have some nuts and bolts. This is the motor mount and the pinion gear maybe. This is a four-wheel drive car, shaft driven. Here you have the chassis. It's not carbon fiber, but it's maybe same as Tamiya, the fiber reinforced plastic. Here you have the pinion gear. No, the spur gear. Okay. Look at the stickers later. And the antenna. Okay, here you have the cup racer stickers. HPI Racing. Okay, here we have the stickers. The window stickers, the grill, the headlights, and the license plate, rear lights. You can choose different styles. It looks like maybe if you want LED lights. And this is the nicest stickers for the tires. The tires with the letters or stickers looks great. You can see 225 millimeter here, and you have to cut the front bumper and the rear bumper. That's an extra piece not molded in the body. Here you have the tires. This is just hard plastic because this is the drift version. And here are the nice wheels. What are they called? Vanatabis or something. At least really expensive in full size. It looks great on this old school. let's open. Look at this really nice body. Okay, we can look first. Here we have some really nice extra parts for the body. You can okay, open. Oh, come on. Here you can see windshield wipers. You can see mirrors. I think maybe you can choose. You can have the mirrors on side of the car or at the fenders. And here I have something holding the exhaust system. Oh, this was difficult. Okay, in you go. Okay. And here we have the front and the rear bumper. You cut them separately and then maybe put them on with double-sided tape, or but at least it looks really nice. The Toyota Corolla Levin AE86. I think this came out in between maybe 1982, 3 up to 1986 or 7. I'm not maybe at least it looks great. Can't wait to finish this. Okay, and here we have the manual for the cup racer. Okay, here we can look. Okay, the part number, what tools you're gonna need, more parts, the parts number. You can see for the differential, and here are the different parts, the body parts, not the body, the chassis parts. Okay, the steering, let's say saver, differential, the ball bearings, no, not ball diff. Okay, put this together, the gear box, and some other suspension part here. Okay, I will put in the two gearboxes and the drive shaft. Okay, more parts, batteries to put in the servo. Okay, and the upper deck. Carrier, steering links, steering. Okay. More servo, and here is the how you want to gear the gear ratio, bigger or smaller pinion gear, the shocks, bleed fill. Put on the shocks and the electronics, batteries, the body posts for different body styles, tires and glue. And here you can see if you want wider or narrower track width or width on the car. Here you have the diagram pages or whatever they're called, where you can see all the part number and everything. Wow. Maybe here you can see the really nice wheels, different styles, different springs and things for the. Here you can see the 510, the 240C, and this Levin. Yeah, I like this kit. I'll review the 510 later. Okay, bye bye guys.